Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you have admin access. If not, arrange it now. Open Task Manager with Ctrl+Shift+ESC, then switch to the Startup tab. Alternatively, go to Settings App Startup. Look for programs that launch automatically and note their impact: high CPU, delayed boot, or unknown publisher. You want a shortlist to act on. Once done, make sure to write down exact app names. That prevents disabling the wrong service later. Now you disable entries one by one. In Task Manager, right-click and choose Disable to stop immediate startup. For multiple or hidden items, run msconfig or services. MSC and uncheck or set startup type to manual. For apps that reappear, open the app's own settings and turn off Launch at Startup, or uninstall the program if you no longer need it. Take it slow. Disable a few items, reboot, and confirm system stability. Finish by rebooting and measuring improvements in boot time and responsiveness. You should notice fewer background processes. If something stops working, re-enable that specific item rather than reactivating everything. For safety, create a system restore point before big changes so you can revert quickly. If you forgot, use Event Viewer to spot startup errors and restore individual services via Services. MSC. If all else fails, restore the system restore point. That usually resolves mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.